Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome back to Talk English World.
And I'm Mike. Hello, hello. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about problems and solutions.
Yes, every day we have small problems, and every day we find solutions. That's life.
That's right, Mike. So let's start with a very common problem. What do you do when you are late for work?
Oh, that happens to me sometimes. When I am late, I call my boss first. I say, I'm sorry, I will be there soon.
That's a good solution. Communication is very important.
Yes, and I also try to leave home earlier the next day. So the solution for being late is plan better and talk to your boss.
Great advice, Mike. Now, here's another problem. What do you do when you forget someone's name?
Oh no, this is embarrassing. I think everyone has this problem.
Yes, it's very common. So what is your solution?
I usually say, I'm sorry, can you remind me of your name? People understand. They are not angry.
That's perfect. It's okay to ask. Being honest is always a good solution.
Exactly. Don't feel bad. Just ask politely.
Now, let's talk about a problem at home. What do you do when your internet is not working?
Oh, this is a big problem for me. I work from home sometimes, so when the internet stops, I feel stressed.
I understand. What do you do?
First, I turn off the router and turn it on again. That usually fixes the problem.
Yes, that is the most common solution. Turn it off and on again.
Yes, but if that doesn't work, I call my internet company. They help me fix the problem.
Good thinking. Always call for help when you need it.
Right, and sometimes I go to a coffee shop and use their Wi-Fi. That's my backup plan.
Smart solution. Always have a plan B.
What about you, Sarah? Do you have a home problem and solution to share?
Yes, my problem is I lose my keys all the time. It's so frustrating.
Oh no, what do you do?
Now I have a solution. I bought a small hook near my front door. Every time I come home, I put my keys on the hook.
That's a really simple and smart solution.
Yes, the solution was simple. I just needed a system. Now I never lose my keys.
That's a great lesson. Sometimes the best solutions are simple ones.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about problems at school or while studying English.
Oh yes, many of our listeners are learning English, so this is very important.
What is a common problem for English learners, Mike?
I think one big problem is they are afraid to speak. They know some words, but they feel shy or scared.
Yes, that is a very common problem. Fear of speaking.
So what is the solution?
The solution is practice every day, even a little. Talk to yourself in English. Repeat sentences from videos like this one.
Yes, and don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn.
That's so true. I made many mistakes when I was learning too.
Everyone does. The key is keep going. Don't stop.
Great advice. Another problem for learners is they don't understand fast English speakers.
Oh yes, native speakers talk very fast sometimes. It's hard to understand.
So what is the solution for that?
Start with slow English, like our podcast. Listen again and again. Each time you listen, you understand more.
Yes, that is why we speak slowly here on Talk English World. We want to help you understand.
And after slow English, try listening to a little faster content. Step by step, your listening will improve.
Little by little, day by day. That's the way.
I like that. Little by little, day by day. That should be our motto.
Maybe. Now let's talk about a problem that many people have in the USA and everywhere. What do you do when you have too much stress?
Stress is a big problem today. Many people feel stressed about work, money, family, so many things.
Yes. So what are some solutions for stress?
First, take a break. Step away from the problem for a few minutes. Go outside, walk a little.
That really helps. Fresh air is good for the mind.
Second, talk to someone, a friend, a family member. When you share your problem, you feel better.
Yes, Don't keep your problems inside. Talk about them.
And third, write down your problems. When you write, your mind becomes clearer.
That's a great tip, Mike. Writing is like thinking on paper.
Exactly. And sometimes when you read what you wrote, the solution becomes clear.
Wonderful. So for stress, take a break, talk to someone, and write it down.
Simple steps, big results.
Now let's do a quick review. We talked about many problems today. Let's list them.
Okay. Problem 1. Being late for work. Solution: call your boss and plan better.
Problem 2, forgetting someone's name. Solution, ask politely. Say, "Can you remind me of your name?"
Problem 3. Internet not working. Solution: restart the router or call your provider.
Problem 4, losing your keys. Solution, create a system, like a hook near the door.
Problem 5. Afraid to speak English. Solution: practice every day and don't fear mistakes.
Problem 6, can't understand fast English. Solution, start slow, then go faster step by step.
Problem 7. Too much stress. Solution: take a break, talk to someone, and write your feelings.
Perfect review, Mike. You did great.
Thank you, Sarah, and you too.
Now let's learn some important phrases from today's episode.
Great idea. First phrase: I'm sorry, I will be there soon. Use this when you are late.
Second phrase, can you remind me of your name? Use this when you forget a name.
Third phrase: don't worry about mistakes. Use this to encourage yourself or a friend.
Fourth phrase, little by little, day by day. Use this to motivate yourself when learning is hard.
Fifth phrase: let's find a solution. Use this when a problem comes up.
These phrases are very useful in everyday English. Practice them today.
Yes, say them out loud. Repeat them. Make them yours.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners a small challenge for today.
Oh, I love challenges. What is it, Sarah?
The challenge is, think of one problem you have right now. A small problem is fine. Then think of one solution. Write it down in English.
That's a wonderful exercise. Writing in English helps you think in English.
Yes, and if you want, share your problem and solution in the comments on YouTube. We love reading your comments.
Yes, please. Write to us. Tell us your problem and your solution. We will read them.
We learn together on this channel. You are not alone.
Talk English World is your community. We are here for you.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 176 of Talk English World.
If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We post new content every week.
Also, share this video with a friend who is learning English. Help them grow too.
Together we learn. Together we grow. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep going. You are doing amazing.
Take care. Goodbye.